Friends, hello. Let's talk about AMC. So I am still holding AMC. I never sold out AMC. I'm still holding at a very small cap here, bid price for it. And I've started to have a lot of people ask me, like, what do I think about AMC? Do I still think, is there possibility that we could see some kind of crazy squeeze in this? Should I take my losses and run, move on to something else? Should I get back into this? What should I do? Well, I'm going to tell you what I'm doing, and this is just what I'm doing, obviously. And you know what? At the end of the day, we all have to do what we want to do ourselves. But, so first things first, just to talk about the general stock itself, what's going on here. AMC did have quarterlies come out here. AMC came out with better quarterlies than were expected. And even the CEO, Adam Aron, said this about the company's skeptics. They were wrong, they were wrong, they were wrong. So obviously, if you haven't been reading the news, there's been things going on with AMC. The stock has been moving, and we've actually seen some positivity here with the stock. We've had a lot of fight trying to get this back to at least a $20 mark. And as you can see on this candlestick chart here, it's a little bit easier to see, but we've got an up and down situation, but still we're trying to get back to this $20 mark here. Now, two things. I still believe that AMC, obviously, and I think there's people that will agree with this, there's still a lot of people that are swing trading this, that are short trading this, that are still making buttloads of money off of this. They're buying at 16, selling at 19, buying it at 17, 18, and selling it. Maybe if they can get a 20 out of it, they're still holding. And obviously, there's still people in this that are sitting around 50, 40, 30, 20 something. So the question is this going to pop? Well, that's where the fighting starts. That's where the comments are going to come in. That's where people are going to start turning on each other. And that's where people are just going to start going at each other, because there's a group saying, absolutely, this is still going to squeeze. We're watching it. We're in the middle of it. And then there's a group saying, no way, no how. It's already happened. This is not happening. Friends, to be honest, where I sit on this right now, I have to admit, I'm kind of on the fence with both sides. I look at AMC and I say, you know what? This could have went to $4 already. It could have went, and I'm going to be honest, I thought about making a video like a few months ago, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to hear a bunch of crap about it. I'm not even going to do it. I'm just going to focus on other things. But what I wanted to say in that video is that I was actually hoping that AMC would go down to a $5 to $6 mark. Even more. And my reasoning for saying that is that I believe it would offer a lot more buying opportunity for people to get in and to get out and to buy down their share action price on what they have of it. So I was, and still a little bit, and kind of rooting for that situation. Obviously, I would love the stock just to go up and not have to focus on that. But if it's going to go down, I would like it to go down a lot. Because guess what? There's no reason that the ape community, the people that were involved with pushing this, could not just jump back in. Because when this push happened, this is what saved AMC. AMC was a business that was going out. It was not looking good. COVID hit. Theaters were closed. It was a bad situation. Now, obviously, AMC is in a totally different situation right now. Financially, they're in a great position. They have a great new CEO, Adam. But obviously where we are right now in time and history with this whole Ukraine, Russia mad at the world, NATO, we don't know what the future holds. And we don't know that, AMC could start to have problems again here in the near future. It's very expensive to go to a movie theater. It really is. And a lot of that money that AMC has right now, it's because people are coming out of the pandemic, they're hitting the theater, there's a lot of stock money involved. So AMC was able to buy down some debt. It was able to stay afloat. And obviously Adam Aron is trying to get the company involved in the little new sectors that are going to push the bread and butter of what they do on a daily basis. So I say, why not? Why could this happen again? Anything's possible in the stock market. I think that's the new thing in the stock market that the past 5 years that I've been involved in the stock market, we have seen such a shift happen in the stock market from the investor of old that finds a company with good quarterlies, good potential, the Warren Buffett motto, and invest in that company for X amount of time. Now we have this new kid on the block, which there's a lot more of now. The one that is seeking the meme stock, the one that is seeking a 30% gain in 7 days' time, chasing every other stock, wrapped up in a lot of stocks, complaining because they have money in so many different things and yelling at people. And if that's you, that's fine. Do your thing. What do I care? Go for it. So when it comes to me and what I'm doing with this and my shares, friends, I'm going to hold them. I'm just going to hold them because you know what? On a rainy day, who knows? This could do something crazy. We don't know the future of AMC. It could start to have trouble again here in the near future. The stock market in general, it's trash. It's probably going to be trash for the next few months. This Russian-Ukraine thing, NATO, North America, this situation is not getting any better. Everyone's stock market is going to be taking a hit. And guess what? People are going to start penny pinching again. They're going to start saving their money. Things are going up. Gas is going to continue to go up. And people probably aren't going to be going to the movie theater. So who knows? The ape community could swing back in and say, you know what? We got you, AMC. We could see an even bigger push. We really could. So friends, that's my thought. That's where I sit with it. Hey, if you don't want to be a part of it, sell your loss and take it and go somewhere else and write it off in your tax season. You're more than welcome to do that. But I'm going to stick around a little bit longer. I'm going to stick around because I'm seeing a lot of fight on this chart. I'm seeing a lot of meat. I'm seeing good high volume. I'm seeing a lot of people still in this. And I'm seeing people start to come back to this as this gets closer to a $20 mark. And I'm going to tell you what, if this thing breaks in over a 20, you're going to see a lot more people come out of the woodwork and say, maybe I should get back in this. It's going to happen. Trust me, it's already been happening. So friends, with all that said, these are my thoughts on AMC. Feel free to leave the comments. I'm sure there are a few of you that will say some nice, positive things to me about this. But friends, like always, remember, be positive, be you. Take time to invest in the future of yours. And friends, I really do wish everyone the best of luck with the stock market and all this stuff we have coming at us. And I really do hope wherever you're at, you're safe and sound. Friends, I will talk to you later. Bye, everyone.